Question 5. What is the size of the smallest angle in this triangle?
The first thing to note is that in any triangle, the smallest angle is always opposite the smallest side. In this case, the smallest side is 6, and the angle opposite that is this angle here, which I've marked with a capital A, which I'll refer to as angle A from now on. So I've marked the smallest side with A, and I'm going to call this side A, and I've marked the other two known sides with B and C, and that can be done in any order. So 7 could be marked as C, 8 can be marked as B, and it'll still work. Since we have 3 known sides and we're trying to find the size of an unknown angle, we can apply the cosine rule for angles. So cos of angle A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. In this case, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 8, and A is equal to 6. So substituting those values into the right-hand side, we get cos of angle A is equal to 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 6 squared all over 2 times 7 times 8. Now the right-hand side simplifies to 11 over 16. So we have cos of angle A is equal to 11 over 16. The final step is to make A the subject by taking the inverse cos of the fraction 11 over 16. So angle A is equal to inverse cos, so that's cos with the negative 1, 11 over 16, which equals 46.567 and so on degrees, which rounds to 47 degrees correct to the nearest degree. Therefore the answer is option B.